everyone, today in front of me Doogee S40 and I'll show you how to disable quick launch on this device. So first I'll show you by double tap on the power key. You can open the camera on this device. So now we will turn on this option. So just go to the settings and scroll down with your finger. Now just here go to the system and pick gestures. Now you can see here jump to the camera that's turned on. Just click here on the switcher to turn it off. And now we'll check that just twice by tap on the power key, and as can you see, this option is disabled right now. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.